Good morning, everyone. Today is Halloween. It's a tradition that every year Cooper and I go hunting on Halloween. So today, he doesn't have school today, so I just rolled in. I'm going to wake him up, and he's actually going to film me this morning. So we're going to head to the farm. It's super cold. It's 27 degrees. So should be good. Hopefully we see some stuff. But we got to go get in the tree. Everyone, we're up in the stand. We got Cooper behind the camera. This is the first time Cooper's ever filmed me hunting. So this is Cooper's first time in a tree stand without a bow. So roles are kind of reversed. But we're sitting in the same spot that Cooper shot a buck earlier in the year, a really nice one. And it's Halloween morning, so things are feeling frisky for sure. We saw one doe as it was getting light, but I haven't seen anything since. It's super calm out, but we're gonna sit probably till 10:30, 11, and there'll probably be some mid-morning movement. Cooper just made a bet with me that we're not gonna see a deer after 8:45, and I say we are gonna see a deer after 8:45, and the loser doesn't get any cookies. So.
Also, grandma's cookies and
Grandma's cookies, yeah. So, I feel like I'm gonna get cookies and Cooper's not, but we'll see.
Yeah, it's a doe. It's a little buck, it's a little buck.
Oh yeah, that's pretty good. It's gonna hit that line.
Yep.
Got that on video.
I'm trying to, but it's getting... Oh, there we go. I'm focused now. This is a heavy camera.
Yeah.
Like 25, 30 yards away. There's being right there.
It's good action.
Yeah. He's like a 4-point. 24 yards right there. Now I need a 3.5 to do that. I can't really see him too well, but he's looking in our direction. Okay, you're good. He's walking away. I'm good whenever you're ready. Okay. Shoot that one that's coming through. Shoot the one on the right.
You're good right there.
Yeah, I got it.
Dead. Nice work.
Oh, they're gonna beat it up, dude. This is cool. Oh no.
What?
I accidentally pushed the stop recording after you shot.
Oh, it's fine.
I got it. I got it, yeah.
Just shot a turkey.
No, I know. I got that part.
You got the turkey
Yeah.
on film? Okay.
I got, and then I clicked
then-
it right after.
Oh, okay. Rookie move.
I messed up.
You got the kill.
I got the kill. All right, you want to watch a video?
In a second, 49 yards. And she just went
Here.
fall turkey tag. We're just gonna slip in, go and grab her because she's kind of closer to the bedding area.
A little bit too close.
50 yards closer. So
Yeah, 50-yard shot.
we're just gonna go in and grab her and just get out.
All right, let's go do that. There she is. Hang on. That's cool. Alright, I'll grab your arrow. Oh, dude. Oh, no. Come on. Oh, there's your bride. We can get the bride at least.
Where?
Stuck in there. Oh no, you're not getting that. That's sunk. Oh yeah. No, it broke blade. Here. Just broke off. They're right there, Chris.
We'll leave it there
Yep.
so that we know.
This is where a turkey died. Hen. It's a hen. Were there jakes in there or no?
I don't know. Afternoon, Halloween afternoon, Cooper and I went back midday, actually fried up and ate the turkey that I shot this morning. Super good. But we're back out. It's like 1:30, 1:45 right now, so we got plenty of time. And we're gonna get out in a spot that no one has sat yet this year. And the food plot's doing really good that it's sitting on. So hopefully we see some deer.
We made vine scrapes that we put there and then the vine. And it is being torn up.
I hit a branch, it's your fault. Because you said we don't need to clear any shooting lanes here.
Well, wait till he gets in the shooting line, dude. He's gonna come right in. Yep, told you. He's not a shooter.
right, everyone. Thank you so much for watching Halloween night in Michigan. Well, morning and night in Michigan. I was able to shoot a turkey with my bow and had a pretty awesome night. Saw that super freak nasty buck, which I really think is only a 1-year-old. I mean, he's got the body of a 1-year-old, and I think he's just like a freak nasty of a buck. It looked like he had like 15 or so scoreable points. So that's absolutely crazy and great. And then the 2-year-old came in, posturing up, scraped the ground and stuff. So yeah, it was a really good night. And the rut's just getting started. So we're going to be hunting here in Michigan the next week or two. And hopefully I can shoot one soon. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure to check out BeRealMerch.com. We got everything back in stock now. And yeah, that's about it. Thank you very much. Catch you guys next time.